Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are learning parts of speech and we are targeting conjunctions, advanced level for IELTS academic and general training IELTS. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases or clauses. कंजंक्शन एक ऐसा वर्ड होता है जो वर्ड्स को, फ्रेजेस को और क्लोजेस को आपस में कनेक्ट करता है. In IELTS, accurate use of conjunctions helps improve coherence and cohesion. Coherence and cohesion में आपको इन द लास्ट क्लास या पिछली क्लासेस में मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ, स्पेशली इन राइटिंग टास्क 1, राइटिंग टास्क 2 एंड स्पीकिंग. However, using too many basic conjunctions such as and but so can make your writing sound repetitive. Advanced candidates should use a wider range of linking words appropriately. Okay, so now number one, coordinating conjunctions. Fanboys. Fanboys का मतलब होता है F for A and N nor B but O और Y yet as so. ये फैन बॉयज कहलाते हैं. These join two equal grammatical parts. These join two equal grammatical parts. ग्रामर के अंदर जो दो पार्ट होते हैं उसको ज्वाइन करता है ये. ओके, नंबर वन, एंड, एडिशन. जब हम सेंटेंस में एंड का यूज करते हैं तो इसका मतलब ये है कि कुछ हम ऐड करने वाले हैं. मीनिंग एड्स इंफॉर्मेशन, फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन हम सेंटेंस में ऐड करने वाले हैं. बेसिक. Many students study abroad and they gain international experience. IELTS style. Studying abroad provides students with academic knowledge and it also allows them to develop cross-cultural communication skills. I hope you understand basic and IELTS style. Okay. Number two, but, yet, contrast. Meaning shows an opposite idea. For example, मैं और मेरा फ्रेंड, हम दोनों साथ मौजूद हैं, डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं किसी भी टॉपिक के ऊपर. एक आइडिया मैंने दिया और एक आइडिया मेरे दोस्त ने दिया. शोज एन अपोजिट आइडिया. मैंने कुछ कहा, मैंने कुछ कमेंट किया, मैंने कुछ बोला तो उसने मेरे अपोजिट कोई आइडिया दिया. ओके, अब देखिए आइल्स एग्जाम्पल्स. ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन is convenient, but it may reduce face-to-face interaction. Governments have invested heavily in public transport, yet traffic congestion remains a serious issue in major cities. Okay? अच्छा, यहाँ पर जो मैंने yet का जो मैंने यूज किया है कंट्रास्ट करने के लिए सेंटेंस में, अगर आप इसको डीपली मज़ीद पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो मैंने इस पर एक वीडियो ऑलरेडी बनाई हुई है। येट के और भी कई जगहों पर, मुख्तलिफ जगहों पर मुख्तलिफ तरीकों से इसका इस्तेमाल होता है। अगर आप डीपली इसको स्टडी करना चाहते हैं तो मेरी एक वीडियो वो आप देख सकते हैं। ओके। नंबर 3, और ऑल्टरनेटिव आइल्स एग्जाम्पल, individuals can reduce their carbon footprint by using public transport or by adopting renewable energy solutions. Number 4, so means result. IELTS example. Many countries are facing water shortages, so governments must introduce effective conservation policies. Now, subordinating conjunctions. These connect a dependent clause with an independent clause. They are very important for complex sentences in IELTS writing. Subordinating conjunctions ये कनेक्ट करते हैं डिपेंडेंट क्लोज विद एन इंडिपेंडेंट क्लोज से। They are very important for complex sentences in IELTS writing. अब ये important है ज़्यादा in complex sentences, for complex sentences in IELTS writing. Common subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions कौन कौन से होते हैं? Conjunction although, इसका फंक्शन है कंट्रास्ट। कंजंक्शन बिकॉज, फंक्शन है इसका रीजन। कंजंक्शन है सिंस, इसका फंक्शन है रीजन और टाइम। शायद आपको सिंस का फंक्शन टाइम पता होगा, लेकिन रीजन के लिए भी हम सिंस को यूज करते हैं इन एडवांस्ड लेवल। कंजंक्शन वाइल, फंक्शन कंट्रास्ट टाइम, वेयर इज कंट्रास्ट, if condition, unless condition, despite the fact that contrast, provided that condition, in order that purpose. I hope you understand. A. Although, even though, जब हम अपनी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में और ऑल दो और इवन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इट मीन्स दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग कंट्रास्ट। ओके। स्ट्रक्चर ऑल दो प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब comma main clause. IELTS writing task 2 example. Although technology has improved communication significantly, it has also contributed to a decline in direct human interaction. Another example, even though university education is expensive, many people consider it a worthwhile investment for their future. I hope you understand. Although, even though. For strong contrast. B. Because, since, as, reason. IELTS example. Many people prefer working from home because it provides greater flexibility. Advanced, since environmental problems are becoming increasingly severe, governments should adopt stricter regulations. C. While, whereas, comparing ideas. When you compare the ideas useful for IELTS academic task 1 comparisons. Task 1 example: the number of people using public transport increased steadily, whereas private car ownership experienced only a slight rise. Task 2 example: while some people believe that children should learn financial skills at school, others argue that these lessons should be taught by parents. If, unless, conditions, IELTS examples. If governments invest more in renewable energy, dependence on fossil fuels may decrease. Economic growth cannot be sustainable unless environmental concerns are addressed. Provided that, as long as formal condition. These are useful in high-level IELTS essays. Example: online learning can be an effective alternative to traditional education provided that students have access to reliable internet services. Correlative conjunctions. These work in pairs. Correlative functions, correlative conjunctions ये पेयर्स में काम करते हैं. Both and. Example: both individuals and governments have a responsibility to tackle climate change. Either or. Example: people can either reduce unnecessary spending or increase their savings to improve their financial stability. Neither nor. Example: neither economic development nor technological advancement should occur at the expense of environmental protection. Not only but also. A powerful IELTS structure. Not only but also. Example: renewable energy is not only environmentally friendly but also economically beneficial in the long term. Conjunctive adverbs, advanced linking words. These are not true conjunctions grammatically, but they function as connectors in IELTS writing. Connector, however, purpose, contrast. Connector, therefore, purpose, result. Moreover, addition, furthermore, addition, nevertheless, contrast, consequently, result. In addition, addition, otherwise, alternative result. However, incorrect. Many people use cars. However, public transport is better. Incorrect. Correct? Many people use cars. However, public transport is a more environmentally friendly option. Therefore, IELTS example. The cost of living has increased significantly, dramatically in recent years. Therefore, many young adults are delaying home ownership. Moreover, furthermore, IELTS example, exercise improves physical health. Moreover, it has positive effects on mental well-being. अब IELTS के अंदर आप ये वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं, moreover, furthermore. Okay. Nevertheless, IELTS example. Artificial intelligence may replace some jobs. Nevertheless, it can create new employment opportunities. Advanced conjunction structures for IELTS band 7 to 9. 1. Number 1. Despite the fact that many people recognize the importance of exercise, comma, a large proportion still lead inactive lifestyles. Number 2. In spite of the fact that online shopping is convenient, comma, some consumers still prefer traditional stores. Number 3. Whether or it is important to consider whether governments or individuals should take responsibility for solving environmental problems. Number 4. No sooner than advanced but less common in IELTS. ये IELTS में इतना ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल नहीं होता, बहुत ही कम उसको इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, लेकिन बहुत कम है. ओके, इसकी एग्जाम्पल. नो सूनर हैड the new policy been introduced, then public opinion began to change. Now, IELTS writing task to sample paragraph using advanced conjunctions. इस वीडियो में हमारा टारगेट जो है वो कंजंक्शन है, तो हम कंजंक्शन को ही देखेंगे इसमें भी एग्जाम्पल में. टास्क टू सैंपल पैराग्राफ. Although technological development has brought numerous benefits to society, it has also created several challenges. While digital platforms have made communication faster and more convenient, they have reduced opportunities for face-to-face interaction. Moreover, excessive reliance on technology may negatively affect people's social skills. Therefore, individuals should use modern technology responsibly so that they can enjoy its advantages without experiencing serious drawbacks. I hope you understand. Common IELTS mistakes with conjunctions: overusing and incorrect form. The government should build schools and improve roads and create jobs, and reduce poverty. Remember one thing is, and we should not use and and again and again. Only one time we use and in a sentence. Use complex and compound sentences in your writing. Now, correct? The government should build schools, comma, improve structure, comma, and create employment opportunities to reduce poverty. I hope you understand. अगर हम आइल्स के राइटिंग टास्क 1, राइटिंग टास्क 2 के अंदर हम वर्ड्स को रिपीट करेंगे तो इससे हमारी मार्किंग होगी। तो हमें वर्ड्स को रिपीट नहीं करना चाहिए और उसी वर्ड्स से रिलेटेड और भी वर्ड्स हैं जो बिल्कुल सही जगह पर फिट होते हैं, उनको इस्तेमाल करें। रिपीटिशन की तरफ नहीं जाइएगा, जिस तरह मैंने अभी आपको एग्जाम्पल दी है। ओके। नंबर 2, starting every sentence with however. Avoid repetition. Use alternatives. Nevertheless, nonetheless, despite this, in contrast, on the other hand. Okay. Number 3, using informal connectors in academic writing. Avoid. A lot of people think this is bad, but no. Prefer. Many individuals argue that this approach is undesirable. However, okay, today in this lecture, I hope you understand the conjunctions advanced level in the IELTS. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please comment below. I will reply. I will make you understand.